Hi, my name is Bill Jr. I'm one of the owners here at Four Seasons Kanga Roof, and I, on behalf of our team and my family, want to thank you so much for allowing our team to come out and visit your commercial property today. My goal with this video is to educate you on what to expect during your initial visit, along with answer the 5 most common questions that we hear about commercial roofing systems. So, when you get this video, it's part of this email. And the first step is our assessment meeting where your commercial roofing specialist will be coming out to meet with you. This should be a brief meeting where they're going to take some basic perspective photos of the building, of the issue in question, try and find out some basic things as well, like will we need a ladder? If so, what size? Is there a roof hatch? So our inspector can execute that inspection swiftly for you. Additionally, we want to understand your goals and your understanding of the problem and what the end results you'd like to achieve are. After that, your roofing specialist is going to get your inspector scheduled to get out there right away, so that way we can provide the detailed solutions for you. So what are the 5 most common questions we hear from business owners and property managers? Number 1, how long will my commercial roof last? As a general rule of thumb, most commercial roofs last about 20 years. To know how long your roof is going to last, that's why we have to get the inspector out there so we can do our full assessment and give you that answer. That's the whole purpose of our detailed inspection process, and that will be the next step after the first visit. Number 2, can we quote it without coming out? The short answer is it's possible, but no, we don't do that. And the reason for it is we don't make assumptions. We could use an overhead aerial grid, throw out a ballpark number, but that's not really doing you any service. So the inspector and that inspection process is going to be critical to make sure we give you the best possible solutions and to educate you on what all of the possibilities are. It's very common somebody asks for a replacement and then we discover they may not need that and they could get away with a coating, a recover, or just comprehensive repair, maintenance, and restoration. Third question, can I put another layer on my commercial roof? Simple answer is that is a very, very common practice. And I'm going to keep going back to that, but that's the purpose of that inspection process and our detailed inspection report. By coming out there and doing our due diligence, whether it's just the inspection, if we need to get a infrared drone inspection out there, we're going to be able to answer that because there are a lot of variables that go into whether or not a second layer is the appropriate solution for you. The last thing we would ever want to do is put another layer of roofing on your building and actually create more problems for you while having you spend money you didn't need to. Fourth one, how long will my new commercial roofing system last? As a general rule of thumb, you should expect a new commercial roofing system to last somewhere between 20 to 25 years, depending on the system and materials in question. There are systems that can last shorter, there are systems that can last longer, but as a general rule of thumb, that is a pretty good yardstick to expect. And the last question we get all the time is, can't you just send somebody out to repair my roof? Yes, we can. We do offer time and material repair services. It's under our emergency services, and we do it all day, every day. We're happy to do it, but most of our clients find that they want a comprehensive, guaranteed solution, and the process you're going through today is going to be able to afford you that. If you decide you just want a T&M, emergency solution, we would be happy to provide that for you as well. All you have to do is let us know. Again, we are so excited to come out and meet with you and be the trusted expert to help solve your problems. If at any time you have questions, please reach out to our team. The number is 586-566-0308, or you can always submit an inquiry through the website at www.kanga-roof.com. As one of the owners here, I really do appreciate you allowing us out to your facility. Your roofing specialist will walk you through all of the different certifications and awards, but at the end of the day, for us, it's just about caring for you and caring for your commercial property as if it were our own. We look forward to the meeting and sincerely hope you have a Kanga-rific day.